It's been 18 months since we released the first version of the application designer to the market. It's changing the way we consider developing solutions for and with Syspro. The application designer is heralded as the low-code, no-code solution to developing applications in Syspro. With this release, we are ensuring that it provides as much as possible and no-code experience. There have been numerous changes made to the application designer over the last year, but we are very excited about the ability to access all Syspro business objects, whether you want to post or query easily and with no code. We subsequently extended this feature to allow access in web APIs, passing in key information from the form designed. And then to fully integrate with traditional customizations, we have added the ability to select a relevant custom form to allow for more maintenance of data. The application designer has been updated to extend the low-code, no-code capabilities when interfacing with data sources, specifically business objects and transaction posting. Here we've got a sample application which comes with the installation of the application designer, and this is just the standard form with some customer information details in it. Under the Data Sources button, we now have access to adding transactions and adding web services. I'm going to just go through and add a business object transaction. I'm going to call this customer maintenance and select the business object. And then we have got an option to specify whether we want to show all areas that are returned from the business object when we transact with it, or we can just show the first error or no errors. Then we've got the type of transaction, and here if it's a general transaction, such as cash book, posting invoice, doing a new sales order, then we can select post. When we're accessing master data, we've then got the options to call upon the setup functionality. I'm going to select Setup Update, and when we click on the Browse button next to the business objects, we can then select the relevant business object. In this case, I want customer maintenance, which is this one here. Then we have the ability to amend the parameters of the XML in, where we've got key values in the XML in, or we want to pass through something from the entry form. Then we can actually come in and we can select the relevant field that's on the form or that control that's on the form. That would then just be shown within that XML. The main point of coming into this program today is to see how we would actually map the data from the form into the business object call. What we get listed here is the list of fields that are available to post via the business object. When we click on one of the fields, we can have it automatically filtering based on the names of the fields that are on the forms, or we can switch that off if we haven't named the fields on the form that well to match up with the business object. But here we've got something like the customer name, and when we highlight that, we will click on the relevant field on the form, and then that is mapping the information that's keyed in on the form to the business object. So we could do branch. We would be able to go on and do all of the fields that we need. The other item on here that is going to be particularly useful is the certain fields which are probably mandatory or advisable within the business object call, but we won't necessarily be showing that on the form. So what we are actually able to do in here is specify a default value or the value that we want to post via the business object. By highlighting the field, clicking on the text button, and then clicking on OK, and then that would always put that value into the business object call. The application designer has been built so that it is easily accessible for both the experienced developer and the citizen developer. It provides a way to develop applications rapidly with the same look and feel as Syspro, with full access to the Syspro business objects without having to have specific E.NET licenses or any form of apportionment. Truly provides a way to build fully integrated solutions. You can also use custom data objects, either through direct SQL or the data dictionary. Whilst the solutions are developed within the desktop, they can be surfaced within the web UI using the web designer, removing the need to understand complex development kits or environments.